everyone, today we're chasing comfort food at Adana Grill House, and for lamb lovers this one is for you. This place is super cozy, welcoming, and that charcoal scent hits you right away like a hug from the grill. The place got that laid-back neighborhood energy, no rush, just good food and good vibe. I really like the decoration here with all of the warm woods and also the glow and the smoke from the grill. It has a lot of Turkish nice touches for the decoration, and I find it very unique. And we decided to go classic with lamb Adana, fresh bread and salad on the side. We also have some skewer, keeping simple but still super perfect for a dinner for three. This bread for me is very fluffy and crunchy at the same time, so I love this so much. And the salad is super delicious. Crisp, lemony, a bit of tomato, sweet onion with that a little bit sour. It's the fresh counterpunch to all of the smoky richness. And the lamb here is very juicy and also smoky. You can also taste the charcoal and also the lamb's sweetness. So to me it is grilled to perfection. I also really enjoy looking at them grilling the meat. That's it for today's videos to explore Adana. If you love lamb, please put this on your Berlin list and see you in the next videos.